Welcome to the 7 Secrets to Essential Speaking. Find your voice, change your life. The 5th secret is be positive. And of course, that's always a good instruction, right? To carry the sun with you inside of your belly so you are radiating out, and negativity or the clouds in your head about are you going to be judged, or are people really going to accept you, and are you going to be effective? Like those are all worries and circles in your head that you don't need to focus on. What you need to focus on is the most positive spirit inside of you. And so being positive to me is more than just, it helps to smile. It helps to have a warm, welcoming smile. But what I'm talking about is warmth in the heart, down in your core essence. And that's, why I'm calling this essential speaking, is because inside of you, in your depth, in your, you might as well go as far as soul, is a positive spirit. What is that? Ask yourself, how are you when you are being your most positive self, and bring that to every speaking situation. And when you're connected with the most positive core of yourself, you know how to do that with other people. You know how to look for the best in them, and it helps you not focus on what they might be saying about you or thinking about you. It helps you be able to look at the goodness inside of them. So I guess you might say it's like, be positive, be your best self, but how do you find that? Well, you drop down and you begin to experience a sense of how glad you are. Happy's a good way to access your most positive self.